Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, lane departure warning, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.